Welcome back guys to our channel. Today we are going to solve this question. Okay, so alright, this is equal to all in square roots, okay, of square root of 9 is 3 and square root of 8 is 2 root 2. Okay, because we have 8 is 4 times 2, square root of 4 times square root of 2, and this is 2 times root 2, which is 2 root 2. Alright, so this now, when I get to this point, I can decide to do something. So notice how this is 3 minus 2 root 2. I can decide to change this 3 to 2 plus 1. So let me go ahead and change this 3 to 2 plus 1. So I can say 2 plus 1 minus 2 root 2. Okay, now from here this becomes equal to, now let me push this one to this side. Alright, so let me have 2 minus 2 root 2 plus 1. But there's a square root sign here. Alright, like this. Now, this thing now can be written as, let me show you something here. So this 2 minus 2 root 2 plus 1 can be written as 2 minus 1 all squared, because root 2 squared is 2 minus root 2 times 1 is minus root 2 times 2 is minus 2 root 2, and this is plus 1. Hence I can just rewrite this whole thing as this. So how that this becomes equal to, we call in square roots, okay, of root 2 minus 1 all squared. Alright, hence from here you can now see that 2 will take this square root sign. So this becomes invariably equal to root 2 minus 1. And this is the final answer to this question.